Observe a puppy and a human. What differences do you notice? Puppies have 4 legs for movement and they have paws while humans lack paws. Dogs are much shorter in size when compared to humans. They have larger ears than humans. So we can infer that each living organisms are unique and thus there is a need for classification of better understanding. We classify living organisms as categories or ranks. Each rank denotes a classification unit. You already know that any rank of the taxonomic group can be termed as taxa. For example, let's focus on birds. We call them a taxon of birds. That is, there are different species of birds belonging to the rank class as they generally share the common features. The different levels or ranks of classification are termed as taxonomic categories. Species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, and kingdom are the 7 major categories. Within the main classification rank, there are subdivisions that further divide and specify information for smaller ranges. As we move to higher hierarchical levels, the degree of similarities decreases, which means more similarities are observed in lower taxa. So let's check each taxonomical rank in detail. First, species. It is the lowest taxonomic category which shares the fundamental similarities. Members of this category freely interbreed and are reproductively isolated from one another. For example, Columba livia is a scientific name for common pigeon. Panthera leo is a scientific name for lion, and Nelumbo nucifera is a scientific name for lotus. Here, livia, leo, and nucifera are the specific epithets, whereas Columba, Panthera, and Nelumbo are the genus names. Genus is the next higher level of taxonomy. Each genus may have one or more specific epithets which represent different organisms. So the term genus refers to a group of closely related species. For example, Panthera onca, Panthera pardus, Panthera tigris belongs to the genus Panthera. Equus quagga, Equus caballus, Equus asinus belongs to the same genus Equus. The next higher rank in the hierarchy is family. A family is a group of related genera. You will notice that the similarities will be lesser compared to taxon, species, and genus. Dogs, wolves, foxes share the same family Canidae, and cat, leopard, lion, and tiger belongs to the Felidae family. The next group we are going to discuss is order. An order consists of one or more genera that shares a common characteristics. For example, family Canidae and family Felidae belongs to the order Carnivora. The next rank in the taxonomical hierarchy is class. It is a group of related orders. There are many orders under a single class. For example, order Carnivora, order Chaetoptera, order Primates, order Pilosa, order Monotremata, order Rodentia belongs to the class Mammalia. The next higher taxonomy is phylum or division. As an example, phylum Chordata comprises class Chondrichthyes, class Amphibia, class Reptilia, class Aves, and class Mammalia. Within plant taxonomy, a division is the largest grouping. Next, the highest category in taxonomy is a kingdom. All animals belonging to the diverse phyla are placed in the highest category kingdom, and also all plants are also placed in this kingdom level. So the arrangement of different ranks from species to kingdom in ascending order is as follows. First is a species, genus, family, order, class, phylum or division, and then kingdom. You can see that the common characteristics decreases as we move from species to kingdom. Have you ever wondered why do animals are preserved in glass containers, especially in museums? Is it necessary to preserve every living organism? Let us recall what we have learned.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.